How to add a YouTube video to a Google slide. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add YouTube video to a Google slide. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Google Slides, and after that select the slide where you want to insert your YouTube video. After that, you have to head over to YouTube and then select the video that you want to add in your slide. For example, I have this video right here. You have to copy the link of that video. So for that, what you can do is click on this three dot icon on that video, click on share, then you will have this link on your interface. All you have to do is copy the link. Once you have copied your link to your preferred video, now you have to head over to Google Slides and then select your slide where you want to add the YouTube video on. Now head towards this toolbar at the top of this interface, click on insert. From this menu bar, you have to go to video. Now select YouTube. After that, here is the search bar that says paste URL. So all you have to do is paste the URL that you have copied recently from the YouTube. After that, press enter in your keyboard. So this was the video that I wanted to add in my slide. After that, click on it. And then here is this insert button at the bottom right corner. Click on insert and wait for a while, and there you can see now the video has been added, and you can drag it wherever you like in your slide. So that's the way to add YouTube video in your Google slide, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.